In a vast, deep ocean, there lived a young shark named Shawn. Unlike his peers, Shawn was kind-hearted and gentle, preferring to swim with the dolphins rather than hunt the smaller fish. One day, a terrible storm hit the ocean. Shawn saw a baby dolphin, lost and scared, struggling in the churning waves. His instinct was to help, but he was just a shark, and he doubted his ability. A school of sharks, led by the cruel and heartless Tiberius, passed by. They saw the dolphin and laughed, saying, "What good would a shark do? He cannot save anything." Tiberius, seeing an opportunity, offered to save the dolphin. As he approached, he opened his jaws wide, intent on swallowing the helpless creature. But just as he was about to do so, Shawn, with newfound courage, pushed Tiberius away, saving the baby dolphin. Tiberius, furious, challenged Shawn, "Why did you interfere? I could have eaten the dolphin and gained your respect." Shawn replied calmly, "Respect is not earned by taking advantage of the weak, Tiberius. It is earned by showing kindness and courage, even when it is difficult." From that day forward, Shawn was respected by all the creatures of the ocean. He continued to protect the weak and help those in need, setting an example for all to follow. And Tiberius, seeing the admiration for Shawn, realized his ways were wrong. He began to change, becoming kinder and more compassionate, showing that even the cruelest hearts can be transformed. In the end, the ocean was a safer, more peaceful place, all because of a gentle shark who chose to be brave and kind. And that is the moral of this story: be brave, be kind, and always choose to do the right thing, for it is these actions that truly make us valiant.